Hey everybody, it's your favorite girl, Miss Keita, baby. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I make my fried cabbage. If you are new here and watching me for the first time, please click that subscribe button. Everybody else, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and like the video. All right, we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. Typically, I start off with frying bacon. However, I ain't have that, so we're gonna jump straight to the andouille sausage. Sear you some andouille sausage on both sides. Once it's nice and seared, you're gonna go ahead and take that out of the pot. And now we're gonna go ahead and add in our trio, which is 2 bell peppers, a half of a green, a half of a red, and then some diced up onion. I'm gonna cook the onion down and I'm gonna start to season it with my garlic salt. I'm gonna hit it with some black pepper. And during this step, I'm going to also add in some better than chicken bouillon paste. And then I'm going to just cook the vegetables down. You want them to be nice and tender, okay? Look, now when we say cook down, we ain't looking for no mush, all right, y'all? We just trying to make it nice and tender, okay? Where it still has a nice little bite to it. The reason I'm adding the chicken bouillon paste in this step is because I want the paste to dissolve, okay? And it ain't nothing but we're just basically adding flavor. We're layering the flavor. Say it with me, y'all. Layering the flavor, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and add my cabbage. You guys, this is just one head of cabbage, and this big old head of cabbage made a whole bunch. Okay, I had people coming over, and so I think I grabbed like a 5-pound cabbage, y'all. So when you get your cabbage, you want to cut it up into little small bite-sized squares, or slice it up however you like it. And then you're gonna wash it, soak it in some water, and then add it in the pot in batches, okay? Because it's gonna cook down. As it cooks down, go ahead and add more until you've added your entire bowl of cabbage. All right, y'all. So now you can see here that I'm starting to season the cabbage, okay? I'm hitting it with my granulated garlic, my onion powder, my garlic salt, my black pepper, and I'm just gonna mix it around, stir it up, and then I'm gonna let it kind of cook down before I add the rest. And here you go, I added the rest. Now, if you ever cooked cabbage, if you eat cabbage, you know that cabbage has absolutely no flavor. All right, and the flavor ain't just gonna appear out of thin air, y'all. So as you're cooking, you have to continue to season it until you get it to the right taste that you like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some better than chicken bouillon seasoning to this, okay? Because again, we layering the flavors, y'all. We layering the flavors. This is like a blank canvas, okay? And whatever flavor you're looking for, it's all up to you and your taste buds. So as you can see throughout this video, I'm going to continue to add more seasoning to this cabbage because I'm tasting it as I go. When you cook, it is important to do quality control. Taste it as you go and then begin to add what you need. You'll see here that I'm adding just a pinch of smoked paprika. It really does not add to the flavor. It really adds more to the color of the fried cabbage. So you really can skip that step. It's optional, but it's just something that I do. And again, y'all, I'm going back in, adding more garlic salt. Now, some of y'all who might be scared to season might be looking at this like, girl, that's too much salt. I can promise you that it is not. Again, I'm working with a 5-pound big-headed cabbage. Okay, so it took a lot of seasoning throughout the dish to get the perfect flavor, okay? Now, once the cabbage has cooked down and it tastes the way that I want it, I have added the sausage back into it. And that is pretty much it, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and plate this up with some chicken and some red beans and rice with some cornbread. If you are new to my channel, again, y'all, click that subscribe button. Support your girl. If you are already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click that like, comment, and share. Thank y'all so much. Enjoy.